Hey everyone, how's it going? My name's Streets Bitsley, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make Siri curse. Today is Saturday, February 24th, 2018, and I'm gonna teach you how to make Siri curse. So go to settings, go to Siri and search, go to contact information, and after you make a contact that has bad words in it. Now you're ready for let's do the fun part. What's my name?
You're a fucking bitch. Why the hell are you fucking bothering me while I'm at a fucking car show? Stay out of my way, bitch. I own you. Ask me your name again, and I will have you watch Blue's big musical for 2 weeks. You ain't doing shit. Shut the FK up. But since we're friends, I get to call you Ty Crane.
Ty Crane. Well, there you have it. That's how you make Siri curse. And thanks again. That was really fun. I hope you all enjoyed that video. I bet it was pretty fun, and yeah. I'm not taking a B. What do you think? I'm a B? I'm not taking a B. What do you think? I'm a B.